Hey, what's going on out there, folks? Rooster here in Tennessee, looking at another radio that we've got up for sale. Uniden PC78 XL. This is a Philippines radio made in the Philippines. Has been done up by Gump, and of course it is a used radio, so it's not going to be perfect. But it's, basically slightly used, and for the Gump tuned radios, we try to pick out the best. And only use radios that make good candidates to tune up and set folks up with a nice radio. So I'll go across here the front and show you the controls on it in case you're not familiar. The dynamic squelch control is now a VFO wind-up switch, so if it's flipped up, the VFO wind-up is on, and we'll demonstrate that here in a second. But all your other controls are pretty basic on it. This front knob here is going to be your dead key control, which is originally your RF gain, but that's now a RF power slash dead key control, and we'll get into that here in a second. But these Unidens, excuse me, these Unidens are, man, they're talking radios. I've got one in there right now that I've just been, that's going to be for sale, that I've been, running the last couple of days, seeing what the locals think about it, and they are packed full of modulation. And they're just really good talking radios. We'll listen to the VFO wind up through the Grant over here. I've got my test listening radio, I guess you'd call it, Grant XL. There's the wind up working. And these radios are really close in proximity, just dummy load to dummy load. We're testing this on a dummy load, and this Grant is hooked to a dummy load, so out in the real field there, I guess you'd say, that wind-up may be a little bit longer, but you can hear it's working just fine. And we'll key up and say a few words. Hello, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. See if we can turn that up a little bit. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, it's on sideband. No wonder it sounded blurry. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, audio, 1, 2, 1, 2, audio, 1, 2, 1, 2, audio. Now we can turn our volume down. Hello, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, audio, 1, 2, audio, 1, 2, audio, 1, 2, audio, 1, 2, audio. Good and clear. Hello, test. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, audio. Aside from the feedback squeal from the speaker. Superstar 507 is what I've got on here. Be glad to send one of these with it for a little extra. I always tell people, if you buy a radio, I'll make you a deal on one of these Superstars, just so you've got a good mic to run with it. And that's what I prefer, is the Superstar. So, let's see, we'll make sure it receives, which I know it does, but I like to test it and show folks. That's another radio, dummy load to dummy load, just to show you it does receive. And we'll get into the output test over here. We've got a 50 watt slug, middle scale. We'll just turn our RF power all the way down. We'll go average power. Yeah, got these radios feeding back. Alright, enough of that. Okay, we're on the key in 0. All the way up to 5 watts. We are looking at the middle scale. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Talking about 8, average. Audio. Audio bounce up to about 9. Let's see. Just for kicks, we'll turn the power halfway down. Show you what it does average with it. Halfway down there. Let's see. There we go. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. It's still about 7.5 to 8 on the audio. Let's see. We'll turn our peak kit on. Hello, test, 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 audio. See if we audio into it, the peaks really come up on it. We'll turn our RF power wide open. Then we'll say test, 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 audio, 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 audio. So we'll lose a little bit of our peak when we turn it wide open, and then we'll turn it all the way down. Hello, test. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Audio, 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 audio. Bouncing up there, peaking up pretty good, and then we'll just talk into it normal. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Audio test. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. That is a Bird 43P, and we're going through our MFJ dummy load on it. And again, the results you get may vary. If you're running a different meter, you may see less, you may see more. I always put that out there. Crazy things with watt meters. Hard to understand how they work sometimes. For instance, my Galaxy 44 will show 45 watts on a Dosi, but it only shows 35 watts on a Bird. And sometimes some of these radios will show 45 or so on a Bird, and then you hook them to a Dosi and they show like 30 or 35. So, and then sometimes you hook them to a Dosi and they show 40 or 45. It's just really hard to say. But anyway, nice radio, widened out receive, transmit tune, VFO windup, variable carrier control there. I think this will make somebody a dandy and make somebody a nice deal on it. And again, if you need a power cord, a brand new heavy duty power cord, or a Superstar 507 mic, I'll make you a good deal on those with the radio. So just let me know. Anybody that's interested, shoot me a text, 423-299-3535, and I will respond in the order that the messages come in. 9:59 last night sold. I woke up and I had 17 messages, and I just answered them in the order they came in, and the first person that paid me for it, he's the one that got it. So anyway, guys, hope you enjoy the video. Questions, comments, let me know. Rooster in Tennessee. See you, bye.